Magawa kami ng noodles. Ganyan guys, sinihiwa ko yung doon natin. Hiwa natin yung doon. Tapos lagyan natin ng flour. Yan na guys, mayroon na tayong nagawa. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos ito na yung ano natin, yung noodles made from scratch. Okay guys. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my simple cooking show. So last night we made this one guys from scratch. So, gumawa tayo ng homemade noodles for our Mickey, or this is our traditional Mickey in Pangasinan. So, now we're going to make guys. So guys, last night, ginawa lang namin guys. So, this one is a fresh Mickey. So, na-dry lang siya ng air dry. Guys, ginawa ko na itong advance kasi it takes a while na lutuin yung beef. So ito na yung beef with the broth. So ang gagawin lang natin guys is lulutuin natin yung noodle. Going to use atsuete. Okay, so guys, this is our atsuete or anato. So we dissolve with oil and the base of our noodles. Be sure na wala siyang ulam. Okay guys. Guys, we're going to put, but we stir constantly. Hintayin lang natin na kukulo siya. So guys, we're going to put the noodles. Guys, it takes some time to cook this. So, stirring continuously so that it will not gonna stay the noodles in the bottom of our pot. The soup, oh, it's really perfect. It's good for the cold weather. So this is our noodles or Mickey. This is now. So okay guys, this is our finished product. And it's so yummy yummy. Look at our Mickey. Yan guys. Yeah. Di po ba? Sarap-sarap.